Hello friends, and welcome to this video. This is not an intro for a tutorial this week. This is a message of gratitude and friendship and deep appreciation for you showing up and supporting me here on this YouTube channel. I never knew at this time last year that my world would change so much, and it's been a wonderful year of discovery and new beginnings and putting some things to bed that needed to be put to bed, frankly. So many of you have left comments and sweet messages to me through this YouTube channel on the comments section, or sending me a personal email that has meant so much to me. And the one thing I've discovered in this process of developing this channel is I thought I was just drawing pictures. But I think what's happening here, because of you and because of your courage, we're building a little neighborhood here, and it's really exciting to me. I find it so charming and lovely, and several comments and I've said, I wish we could all paint together, and I wish we could all paint together. If we had one giant dining room table that we could all sit around and paint together and laugh and tell our stories. And that to me is the most meaningful thing that has happened through this funny little world of YouTube. They say you never step in the same river twice, and you never paint the same painting twice. And I am so touched by the fact that you have all taken the step, this brave little step, to dip a brush in paint and swoosh it onto a piece of paper, and we make charming and fun and playful artwork together. And that's a brave step. Creativity takes courage. And that's not lost on me, that no matter how wobbly our hands are, no matter how much we worry about the outcome, which, by the way, we're not worrying about the outcome. There's always another piece of paper. But it just warms my heart to know that throughout this world in which we are living right now, that on some kitchen table, on a makeshift desk, in the corner of your living room, or in my case, my basement, or maybe you have a fancy studio. But whatever it is, every time you pick up that brush, it's a vote for the future. It's a vote for your own soul. It's a vote for your own expression of love and caring and wanting to make the world just a little bit sweeter, a little bit more lighthearted, and a little bit more meaningful to you and to the people around you. It's not a small thing. It's a beautiful, big thing. And I am so glad that you are here. I am so happy to be living in this neighborhood with you, that we get to hang out, make each other laugh, encourage each other. And it's a beautiful thing. It's not a small thing. We get to connect with other people through playful, lighthearted, fun artwork. And I am looking forward to next year where we can do it even more. We're gonna just have all kinds of more fun. So as we close out this year, I just wanna leave a message to you that you are worth this activity, that you are supported and loved through this activity. And I cannot wait to see what you do in the months to come, in the weeks to come. Each time you pick up that brush is a vote for positivity and your future and all of us being together. And thank you again for all your support, your kind comments, your funny comments. They crack me up, and we're just gonna continue having a ball. So happy holidays to all of you, and I hope to see you in the new year. And here's to joy and painting and soothing our souls.